Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to make this spiral square pattern. I am making a blanket out of it. You can use it for making table mats, blankets, table runner and so forth and so on. So we are going to begin now. Things that we require for the project are yarn of 2 colors and the choice of color depends on you, a pair of scissors and a hook that could match to the thickness of the yarn. So let's begin. At first we have to pick up the yarn of white color, make a loop, insert the hook in, pull through. This is slip knot. Now insert the hook, pull through. Now this is chain 1. We have to make chain 1, 2, 3 which counts as a double crochet, and into the first chain we have to make 1 double crochet. Now leave this part like that, and now we have to pick the yarn of another color, make a loop, pull through. This is slip knot, and into the first chain insert the hook in, pull through 2. Now chain 1, 2, 3 which counts as a double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the same chain, pull through 2, pull through 2, this is double crochet. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the first chain of the first double crochet of the white yarn, pull through 2, into the next chain, pull through 2, pull through 2. We are making double crochet on each stitch. Now we have to leave the yarn like that, and we have to continue making double crochet into the same chain with the yarn of white color, and into the same chain we are making double crochet. So these are 4 double crochet. Now into the chain of the first double crochet of the yellow color we are making double crochet, into the next stitch 1 more, into the next a double crochet. Now into the same stitch we have to make 3 more double crochet, because we are going to make a round out of it. Now we have to continue making double crochet on each stitch of color B. Now leave the yarn like that. We have to continue with color B. We have to make 3 more double crochet for the turn. So this is 3rd and 4th. Now we have to continue making a double crochet. Into next we have to make 2, because we are making a round out of it. Into the next 1 double crochet, into the very next 2 double crochet. So we have to make 1 double crochet, and into the next stitch 2 double crochet alternatively to come to the point where we have left making stitches with color A. Now 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Now leave the yarn like that. We have to continue with color A. So we have to make 2 double crochet into the same stitch, 1 into the next, 2 into the very next stitch, 1 into the next, 2 into the very next stitch, 1 into the next stitch, into the very next stitch, 2, 1, 2 again, 1, 2, into the same stitch. It is really very fun to make this pattern and you'll enjoy making it, I am sure of that. And this pattern grows very fast, as you can see. Now leave the yarn like that and we are going to continue with color B. Now 2 stitches into the same stitch, 1 stitch into the next, 2 stitches into the very next stitch, 1 into the next. So we have to continue making the stitches like that. 2 into the same stitch, 1 into the next. This is how the pattern is growing. Now 2 into the very next stitch. Now we have to continue making stitches with color A and we have to make 2 stitches into the next and 1 into the very next. So alternatively in all the stitches we have to make 2 double crochet and 1 double crochet until we reach this point. So complete the stitches till we reach here and we'll meet again when we have completed making stitches till this point. Now we have completed making stitches with yarn A. Now we have to continue with color B and we have to make the stitches till the half of the circle up till here. And when we'll reach here, we are going to cut the yarn because after that we are going to turn this circle into a square. So complete making stitches alternatively, 2 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 into the next up till here. So complete the stitches and we'll meet again when we have completed making stitches with the yarn of yellow color. Now when we have reached this point, yarn over into the next stitch, make a half double crochet, then into next 2 stitches make single crochet. Now we have to cut the yarn from here and now we have to continue with color A. Now yarn over, pull through all the 3. This is half double crochet. We have to make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Into the next stitch a half double crochet, pull through all the 3 and into the next stitch a double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now yarn over 2 times into the next stitch, insert the hook and pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. This is treble crochet. Now yarn over 2 times into the same stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over 2 times on the hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now chain 2. Into the same stitch we have to make 3 more treble crochet. So yarn over 2 times into the same stitch, 1 and 3. Now yarn over into the next stitch we have to make a double crochet. Into the very next stitch a half double crochet and into next 6 stitches we have to make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now yarn over into the next stitch, pull through all the 3, a half double crochet, into the next stitch a double crochet and into the next stitch 3 treble crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 3 trebles again into the same stitch for the corner of the square, 1, 2, 3. Now continue making other 2 sides following the same pattern. When this round is complete, we have to make the final round of the square. Now to begin, we have to make chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, and into every stitch we have to make 1 double crochet. So this is how we are making a double crochet on all the stitches of the previous round. So now we are about to reach the corner of the square. Where into the chain space of 2 we have to make 2 double crochet, 1, 2, chain 2 and 2 more double crochet into the same chain space. Now we have to continue making a double crochet on all the stitches of the previous round until we reach at the corner of the square. So these are double crochet on each stitch below. Now we are about to reach at the corner of the square where we have to make a double crochet on each trebles of the previous round, and into the chain space of 2 we have to make 2 double crochet, 1, 2, chain 2 for chain space and 2 double crochet into the same chain space. So complete the round following the same pattern. After the round is complete, we have to join the stitches into the topmost chain of the first stitch with a slip stitch. Now the square is complete. These are the colors in which I am going to make blanket for a newborn child, and I am trying to add all the colors of love, hope and aspiration for her. It is really very fun to make this, and I am working day night to complete this on time. If you like the pattern, make a blanket for someone whom you really want to gift a blanket. Thank you so much.